Hi guys, it's Gaynel here. Welcome to Inside Out Tai Chi. This is my posh new recording studio, formerly known as a bedroom, and what I'm going to do is have a look at Tai Chi from how I see it, from my point of view, which is why it's called Inside Out Tai Chi. What you need to do if you want to follow this is just to sit down somewhere comfortable. So I'm just sitting on the edge of my bed as it happens. There's lots of furniture because I want to be able to give you a sense of direction. So first of all, down there's my feet and a tasty piece of carpet there to show you exactly where they're positioned. And then if you can turn your waist to the left, not turning your neck, just your waist, and then turn it to the right. So we're just going from corner to corner like that, just turning at the waist. Now the first movement I want to show you is just the hand movements from Part the Wild Horse's mane. So if you start off, let's look down at the hand. Allow your hand just to come across with your fingers trailing a little bit as if they're smoothing a piece of silk. And then it's going to rise up. Turn with the palm upwards until it's in front of your right shoulder, pointing straight forwards to there. And then just let your arm roll over. Bring your elbow down so that your fingers just trail behind. And bring it back up so it's in front of your shoulder again. Let's just do that a few times. So turn your waist a little bit, roll your arm over and bring it down. Palm up. So you're not actually twisting your wrist, you're just rolling your forearm over and letting your hand trail down. Now keep your waist turning, so we're going from that corner to that corner, back to the front, and roll it over, pull it down, and rest. Welcome back to Inside Out Tai Chi, and today we're going to be looking at the arm movements from brush, knee and push. So let's start off by looking at the hand position. Now if you practice nothing else, do practice this. Just look at the position of the fingers and the hand in general. So you'll see that the thumb's a little bit out to the side in what we call the tiger mouth position. If I just turn it round so that you can have a look at the position of the hand, see that the hand's a little bit cupped and the fingers are stretched up towards the ceiling. You'll see the bit between the thumb and the forefinger is just pleasantly open. It's not right apart like that, but it's not scrunched up like this. It's just comfortably open. Your fingers don't want to be splayed out too much, but they don't want to be rammed together like that. And the thumb doesn't want to be level with the fingers. It doesn't want to be in there somewhere. It wants to be just out at a comfortable angle. And your fingers stretched up. And now the hand's going to relax, drop down and come in. This is just a preparation as the hand comes in by your shoulder, about level with the bottom of your ear. And then turning back to face the front, it drops down in front of the chest and goes up to a point. Let's just do that again. Relax, 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 relax. And then push forward and stretch. Notice that the elbow stays bent. So there's no point where you're stretching out like that from your shoulder. It's just comfortably in like that, so we can relax. That's very yin. Keeping relaxed as it goes forwards and up, and right at that point it stretches. There's the yang bit, and then it goes immediately back to being relaxed again. So just get used to that feeling of gently forward and stretch and relax. Breathing in. Breathe out as you stretch and relax. And it's just the fingers stretching up towards the ceiling. Breathing in. Breathing out. Yin, 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 and yang. And rest.